Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is the canister off a Dyson DC04 vacuum cleaner. What I want to do today is take it completely apart and see if we can give it a full clean inside and out. So to begin, I've got to push this green one down, lift this one up, that slides off. The nozzle there is pretty dirty, so we're looking a bit cleaner in there. Part of me wonders, does it just snap out? Yeah, maybe. It says do not remove. Well, let's leave it on then. A filter, there it is. Should be possible to, little hook on it, pull that out. Here, there's a couple of screws that hold this top handle on. I'm not going to take them off. These screws, there's one here and there's one in here. Torx 15. This one's quite easy, so you just pull that down. I think that's the seal from the bottom edge there. You can see in here there's some bits of stuff, but it's remarkably clean. In here, this thing is the pressure relief valve, so if the thing is blocked, that opens up. So it's just a cone separator, and this is quite useful. This is what I wanted it for a workshop vacuum. And so what I want to do is get something in this crack here where my fingernail is and push it up that way. Oh, we might be getting somewhere. I heard a crack. I think we're off. Now, one more. There we go. I think that's nearly it. There we go, right. So with this piece off, I've got a flat surface to hit. I'm going to just try and grab it under my arm and then hit it with the hammer. And that worked remarkably well. The cone itself is quite clean, but the inner piece here isn't. It's tomorrow and everything's dried out. Back on again. That's it. It just seems to snap. And this one. Now I damaged that yesterday there. That little nub has to go into this little groove. And again. That's it. This one I think sits on here. 2 screw holes. And a little tab. This little tab must go on this side. So now we could put the filter back in, but this hasn't dried out yet, and this needs a thorough dry. So I would leave this somewhere warm. This needs to be completely dry, otherwise you're going nowhere. So I'll put that to dry before we put it back in there. Let's get that on there. So I have this stuff, silicone lubricant. Put a tiny drop of that on it. This is what you use for fitting sewer pipes you can get in the hardware shop. You really don't need much. Yeah, seems to do it. Goes in, clips on. Anyways, that's where we are. Let's get back together again. Okay, there you go. That's it, the Dyson DC04 dust canister. Removal, disassembly, reassembly. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.